and sit in front of Christopher. Markaya, it's not good that anyone that sits next to you starts talking.
Okay, Natalie, the first, you need to remember this. My steps are to do distributive property, so I distribute first, okay? After I distribute, I add like terms. Do you know what like terms are? No? Okay. Do you know what a term is?
Sure.
What's a term? A term is each thing that's separated by the equal sign. Separated by plus or minus. So these are terms because it's separated by plus and minuses. Okay, so that's my term. So first thing I need to do is when I see parentheses, I need to distribute. So distribute. If I see a parentheses, what do I do? You distribute. Yeah, you distribute. And what you're about to say is you simplify, and that's correct as well. So you distribute, you simplify by doing the distributive property, okay? So distribute, then I'm gonna add like terms, then I'm gonna solve, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is distribute. So in order to do that, I'm doing 2 times A. You see my arrows? Then I'm doing 2 times 3. So here, 2 times A is 2A, and 2 times 3 is 6. Then equals, now I have no more parentheses. I'm done with parentheses. Now equals 12. Negative 12. We have to keep it like it's supposed to be. Now, I can solve because I don't have any like terms to combine. When you see the equal sign, now you're solving, okay? I'm gonna put my line down in equal signs because whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I must do on the other side of the equal sign. Make sense? Okay. So from here, I'm going to take, you see 6 and you see negative 12, right? And then you see 2A. Out of these 3 terms, which one would you move? Which one would you move first? Well, the reason why I would not move 12 is because 12 is over here by itself. I'ma always move, if I see a letter with a number, which, you remember when we were talking about coefficients and constants? Okay, so if I just have a single number, that's my constant. If I have a letter with a number, that means it's a coefficient with it. But I ain't worried about that. We're gonna call the single numbers kids, okay? And we're gonna call, if you have a letter by your number, we're gonna say you married. You got a couple, right? You're in a couple. You like boys, you know, you like couples, right? So you're gonna do, so 2A plus 6 equals negative 12. So I need, right here, I see a married couple and a kid, and I need to move that. So I'm gonna move the 6. I'm gonna move the kid over here with the kid. This is a positive 6. What would I do to move that positive 6 over? Don't say you don't know. You will always do the opposite, okay? So if I see a positive, I'm gonna do a negative. If I see a negative, I'm gonna do a positive. See that? Okay, so I'm gonna do negative 6.
Like a negative, but it's a positive now.
Exactly. But then if I do it on this side of the equal sign, I have to do it on the other side of the equal sign. So if I do it here, I have to do it here. So remember that. So distributive property, then I'm solving, okay? Here, I'm crossing this out. Here, what's negative 12 minus 6? Negative 12 minus 6. That's negative 18. You can always use your calculator, that's fine. Then you bring your 2A down, so 2A equals negative 18. My last step is to divide. I always divide by the number in front of the letter. So the number that's in front of the married couple, whatever number that is, that's what I'm gonna divide by. You see that? Okay, so I'm gonna divide by what here?
2.
Yeah, it's 2. So this crosses out, so that means 8 equals what's 2 divided into negative 18?
So divided by
Negative 18 divided by 2 will give you what?
I just saw down.
Okay, hurry, go faster.
Okay now.
And then Natalie, we negative 18 divided by 2, negative 9. That's correct. Now, on the next one, Natalie, I want you to work it, but I want you to tell me step by step what you're doing. So, what are you gonna do first?
Oh my god.
Natalie, calm down.
Like,
You know what it is. You're gesturing, but I need you to say it.
looking for the
It's on the board. What is it? What's the number 1 step?
I'm blind, means I can't see that part.
Okay, even if you're blind, then what's the step that you do first when you distribute? Yes, so distribute. Do that first. Okay, Sophia, what we got going on here? Good job. You did this one by yourself? Or did we do this one together? Okay. Okay, so you started this one because you know that the first step is to distribute. So you did 2 times 3, but 2 times 3 will give you... Oh, that's what's confusing you. Okay. You're doing, what you're saying is, you're saying it in your head and writing it. But once I do 2 times 3, my new number is now 6x. So I'm going to do 6x, and then 2 times... Here, you're going to do 2 times negative 12. You okay? It's frustrating? I know, it's a lot of numbers. It can get frustrating, but it's okay. We're going to work this one, and then we're going to call it a break for today, okay? So, we're going to do, but we'll work it together. 2 times 3 is 6x. And then 2, what's 2 times negative 12? Remember how that goes together? They gave you negative 24? No, 2 times negative 12. It should have given you negative 24. That equals 6. Then from here, okay, so we did the distribute property. Now, what did we do? Oh, do you have any questions about that?
Wait, I think I remember. So you're supposed to times it and then put it there?
Yes. So 2 times 3 is 3.
And then do you have to put a line?
Yes. Now you do the
Let's do the
line.
first step right.
Okay, Natalie, you did 3 times P, which gave you 3P. And then you did 3 times 2, which gave you 6. Great, equals 18. You put your line down the middle. Now you're going to move your kids to the same side. So how do you do that?
Negative.
Yes, great. Do that. Natalie, I need for you to just stay calm. You get nervous. It's no need to be nervous, okay? Yes, good job.
And then I do 18 times.
Good job.
18 minus 6, correct. Okay, great job. This was good. We're going to keep working on this, okay? Thank you. Good job. Yes, good job.